Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm showing everybody how I cook and also fry my chicken. So I have this my washed chicken here. I use lime to wash it in addition with water. So I'm now putting it in my pot and I'll be adding some salt, some blended ginger, garlic, green bell pepper, onions and spring onions. Please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I put up a new video. So I'm adding my stock cube, some chicken seasoning which I bought from the store, but if you don't have it, there's no problem. Just adding the blended spices together will do a great job for you. So I've now placed it on fire and I've covered it. So after some time, I'll open it up and I'll add some water. I didn't add water to it because it has its own water. So I'll let it cook for 5 to 8 minutes before I add some water to it. So after adding my water, I'll cover it again and let it cook for 10 minutes. Then I'll take it off from the stove. Now it is cooked well. This is soft chicken. I don't like buying the hard one. I always prefer the soft because I use less time in preparing it. Now I'm taking it off and I'll let it cool a bit before I fry it. Now I have my vegetable oil for frying on fire. So after it heats up, I'll then put my chicken into it. You can see from how it is frying that the oil is very hot, so you have to be careful when you are frying your chicken and other stuffs because the oil can splash on you. So I'll continuously monitor it so that it doesn't get burnt, and also it will fry the way I want it to be, that is golden brown. So you can see my chicken is frying beautifully well. Alila, how are you? Yeah. Fine. My baby girl is learning how to talk. I'm asking her how is she. She's 1 year and some 2 months. So my chicken is fried. See how beautiful this looks. So I'll repeat the same for the remaining chicken. If you fry your chicken very well, you can keep it for some number of days without it getting spoiled. Please continuously watch videos from this channel and I promise you will always get the best content. I'll be glad to see your comments in the comment section below, and I'll also be listing the ingredients I used in the description box below. Please share, subscribe, comment and like my videos. I have other videos too on this channel which you can go through and watch them. I hope you have enjoyed your stay on this channel. Have a nice time. Bye.